Did you know that many people are very wrong about tithing? Many people believe that tithing is no longer applicable nowadays because they say it should be according to your heart. And that's a misinterpretation because the Bible says otherwise. In Malachi chapter 3 verse 10, "Bring ye all the tithes into the storehouse, that there may be meat in mine house." Did you know that tithing is a man's test of greediness? Greediness is when we earn millions and we only give thousands because give according from the heart. Greediness. I find it very interesting that people have no problems paying their taxes but have problems paying their tithes. Yes, just as taxes do not belong to us, we owed it to the government. Thus, the tithes belong to God. Remember, our tithes is the lifeblood of the church's daily ministry operations and missions. I imagine, what if people pay their taxes according to their feelings? What will happen to their country? Will a man rob God? Yet you have robbed me. But you say, wherein we have robbed thee? In tithes and offerings. Comment below and change my mind. Or let me know what topics you want to discuss on the next part. This is Aaron saying, the Bible is always right. Yes.